Hello everyone, my name is Komal, and if you're new to my channel, just wait till this last second. Hello everyone, my name is Komal. I'm going to share 5 tips every week which I learned after being in Australia. So here are my 5 tips for you. First tip is super important. Always stay with correct people around you because it may sound very simple, but do not let anybody drain your energy in whatsoever manner. If you think it's not good, just leave that house and go to the next house. Second thing, no matter how many people tell you, no matter, change the course unless you think you have to change the course. You're not at all into it. Think about it 100 times before changing your course for PR thing because there's a lot of money involved. Do your research. Third thing,
Surprise!
okay, in Australia, I will say there's a lot of money. You will be introduced to a lot of money. Do not go everywhere possible, every opportunity to spend money. Uh, yes, definitely spend it. However, save it. Save it. Trust me, save it. Point number 4. Let's see if you have rented a house or it's unfurnished setup. Do not go and immediately buy whatever things you want because on the curve or on the nature strips, you will find a lot of products. I have shifted house literally last month and I got 50% of furniture literally free. I didn't purchase it, okay? On a Saturday, Sunday, I go on a walk. I actually go on a walk every day and I see stuff everywhere just lying. You can take it, clean it properly. Bleach costs only $5 and you can bleach clean all the products. Also, tip number 5. I kept it at last because it's really important and it's gonna save you a lot of money. Okay. While buying groceries, so I'm an Indian. If you are an Indian, just go and research about local grocery shops near you. You will find cheapest groceries there. Do not just go to Coles, Aldi. In Asian supermarkets, actually, the grocery is much cheaper. So, example, I never ever buy coriander from Coles or Aldi. I always buy it from a local Asian shop. Lastly, it's not a tip. Take care of yourself. Here, yes, you are alone for quite some time unless you have your closed ones around you. Be mindful of what you are doing and do not get influenced. If you're, especially if you're a student, do not get influenced by things. Just because somebody is telling you, you will meet new people every freaking second. Do not trust everyone. Do not. If you really like this video and you want to support me, please like, share, and comment. Also, let me know what should I, create. I can create a lot of technical stuff as well because I am studying at the moment. I'm completing my CompTIA certification soon in like next 6 months. I will share details about it step by step.